Hi guys, and welcome to this video where I'm about to be talking to you about doing some vlogging on the street with the DJI Pocket 2. So as you know, the Pocket 2 is actually quite a small little camera and perfect for doing walking tours and vlogging on the street and stuff like that. But one of the little nice features that I found is the ability to pair it with a magnetic mount, and then you can pretty much pop it on maybe like a lamppost that I have here, and then you can pretty much talk to your heart's content on the street and use it as a perfectly decent vlogging solution. So here I am in my local town. I've just literally turned up a random street, found a random lamppost and attached the Pocket 2 to the stands, and so here I am doing a vlog. So in this video we're going to go through different situations, find some places to actually do some vlogging and see whether this actual Pocket 2 is a decent solution. Okay, so here we are at another location. As I show you, I'm literally just put the Pocket 2 onto the cigarette ends box, just in a random car park on Romsey here, and I can just pretty much do a vlog just standing here and kind of minding my own business, talking to you lovely people. So once again, the Pocket 2 is a fantastic little thing, a fantastic camera for doing discreet vlogging in the streets, as what I like to call remote vlogging. So here's another location. As I said, I'm now put the Pocket 2 onto this lovely red post box with the magnetic mount. It's a fantastic little versatile solution for vlogging on the street with the Pocket 2. Nobody's paying any attention to what I'm doing, so great. I might probably start to adopt the Pocket 2 as my way of vlogging. Alright guys, so here is another little location. So of course you don't have to use the actual magnetic mount. You've got a little tripod or something, so I've just literally made this magnetic mount into an impromptu support. I've just balanced it on the edge of this wooden bench, so hopefully it's not going to fall off. I'm just keeping my eye on it in case the wind blows or something like that. So once again, you can use the Pocket 2 in pretty much any place you want within reason. Okay, so another location, and this time I've just literally found a corner of a windowsill on a rather bog standard building to do another little vlog, and just literally put the Pocket 2 on the corner here. So one of the things I particularly love about the Pocket 2 is the fact that it's pretty discreet, and not obviously discreet as some cameras, but certainly a lot more discreet than others, and then you can pretty much walk around to your heart's content and just stand on the street and do your vlogging. Okay, one of the nice things about the Pocket 2 is the fact that it's got face tracking, so I can pretty much pop it in the corner here, walk around and sort of move around, and of course the gimbal is going to follow me just like a kind of like remote cameraman. So I said one of the things I particularly love about this solution, what I call remote vlogging, is the ability just to put the Pocket 2 or any other sort of camera some distance away from yourselves, and you can then just stand with a discreet microphone such as a Hollyland Lark M2 and pretty much talk to your heart's content, stand on the street, and nobody's going to pay any attention, and you can pretty much do your vlogs. Okay guys, that's how easy it is to actually do some discreet vlogging on the street with the DJI Pocket 2. A fantastic little camera because of its small size that you can pretty much stick anywhere you like, especially if you have like a magnetic mount that you can put on things like lampposts. I really like this approach for doing vlogging. Now, of course, this video is useful. Don't forget to hit that lovely big subscribe button for me. I have more tips and tricks, especially the Pocket 2 and other cameras. Hope you're well, and I shall see you soon on another video. Take care.